Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So this is a very important video which I wanted to make actually way back, but I just got the time. So basically we are discussing a very important thing about Sui blockchain and Sui token. So what we are talking about is the supply increase in the coming days. So if you look here, they have a big supply cliff in July of 20 in the July of 2024. So that means there will be around 8 million tokens more in the market in just a 1 month. That is pretty big. So basically this supply increase I think will actually increase the sale pressure on the Sui, which is pretty bad for Sui because it does not have that much. If we look, its market caps are only have 1.7 billion, and if it does see this much sale pressure, I think it will be sale pressure because I'll talk about why is that. So I think this actually may crush the series price, not by that much, but it will impact so much. So if we look at the Solana had the same situation, from which they had a massive supply cliff, as you can see on December of 2020, from that to 2021. So this was a massive cliff, and it happened I think in January. Yes, so January 2021. So big, at that moment the market was at its peak, so Solana did not see that much of sell impact. But as soon as we had a market crash, as you can see, the Solana saw a massive price fall, as you can see here, and same thing happened on November of 2021, and this has basically happened with Solana ever since. So I think this must be due to the massive supply increase which happened here. So I think the same situation could happen with Sui, and maybe even worse, because hear me out. So first of all, let's see who will get the token. So there will be early contributors who will be getting the tokens, which will be around 120 million, and I don't think they will be selling because it isn't. I think they are still developing the Sui, so that they may not sell. But Mistral Lab, which is actually building the which is the team behind the Sui, so their treasury will be getting these tokens, so they will probably be granting to the developers inside the Sui ecosystems. But the most important one is Series B and Series A. Series B will be getting around 231 million token, and Series B will be getting around 500 million. So if we look at the Series A, this the investments were led by AF16Z, which is a pretty massive crypto venture in the market. So they could be selling, but they may not sell out because they are in the early stage, and I think they have a lot of investment in the layer one. So this round may not sell that much. It also includes Coinbase, which means Coinbase is also the investor, and these are the other investors. The most important is the Series B, because if you look here, the lead investor is FTX Ventures. FTX is already a bankrupt, as you may already know. So they are trying to pay to the users who have not withdrawn the tokens. So I think we will see a lot of sell pressure from the Series B. So they will be getting around how many tokens? They just check again. So around 220 million, 231 million, which as of now, if we look at the Sui price, that equals to the $338 million. Of course, they won't be selling all that at one time because of liquidity issues, but they will start selling as soon as they get the tokens. And I think that may actually crush the Sui price if there is not that much hype. If there is a lot of hype around the Sui at that time, I think they'll wait for the top and sell as soon as they have a signal for selling, and they see if there is nothing going on much happens. So you have to be extremely careful when it comes to Sui if you are planning to hold it for a long term. So this is the most important thing which I want to talk about Sui. So let's just see what else is going on. So this is actually the Sui TVL, and it has started to go down, which is a little bit concerning because it's a massive growth, as you can see here, and it has started to go down. And if we look at some changes, they do have They do have a new platform coming in, but they aren't that much. That means the demand for Sui as of now has been calmed down. So this demand is probably coming because of that airdrops which may be happening on Sui's ecosystem, but Sui still has a potential to go up if this cliff does not crush its price. So in terms of if you're planning to hold this for a long term, you have to be extremely careful about this one, because as I discussed that this could be pretty dangerous. So in terms of Sui supply, it has a max supply of around 10 billion. So another thing we have about Sui is that let's look at its price. So as you can see here, I gave this price around in the last video. As you can see, it is a perfect retest around here. So this was a perfect snapper entry, and if we look here, as of now it has started to go up, and I think it's still in downtrend, so it could actually go down below that. So what we need, we need here we need a breakout from here to go up. So this was it. I just wanted to cover and want to discuss what is going on with Sui. I hope you like the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.